Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to get verified on LinkedIn. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go to linkedin.com and make sure you are signed in into your account. And now from here, just simply go ahead and click on your profile over here on the top right. And after that, just simply go for view profile over here. So click on view profile. Now from here, as you can see beside your name, you should be able to see here verify now. So just simply click on verify now over here. And now, as you can see, you can claim your badge for free by verifying any options below. So you will have two options. You can verify your workplace as Google. So you can just simply click on over here. And after that, just simply provide your work email. And from there, you will receive a 6-digit code. And after that, just simply follow the prompt in order for you to verify. And now when we go back over here, as you can see, another option that you have is verify your identity with persona. So you can just simply click on over here. And after that, as you can see, just simply open the camera app on your phone and just simply scan the QR code over here. And now once you have scanned the QR code, just simply follow the steps on your phone. And as you can see, guys, you have to have the LinkedIn app in order for you to do this. So just simply download the LinkedIn application into your device first and just simply do this process over here. And from there, the page will update when your verification is successful. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.